friends, I'm Miss P. I can't wait to learn toy and object words with you today. Are you ready? Let's go! This is a ball. 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 Can you say ball? Well done. This is a block. 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 Can you say block? Amazing. This is a book. 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 Can you say book? Superb. This is a crayon. 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 Can you say crayon? Fantastic. This is a doll. 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 Can you say doll? Magnificent. This is a truck. 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 Can you say truck? Magnificent. This is a chair. 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 Can you say chair? Super. This is a phone. 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 Can you say phone? Amazing. Great job. You did amazing. Let's say some more words soon. Bye-bye. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button